This is Genevieve. This is the Camille channel. This is my farm. We have 2 horses. That one right there is Cisco, the one that has the black mane, and the one behind him right there is Keela with the white strip.
Look at these beautiful horsies.
This is Cisco.
Hi, Cisco.
She's the friendliest. Keela is really friendly, but she can get a little scared. She always thinks I have oats for her, but not this time.
Yep. All right. Let me show you the chickens. Now, they have a lot of chickens, and I like to chase them.
And, so don't chase them, Camille.
I know.
Oh, that one right there that just ruffled his feathers, that one's name is Shadow. He gets pecked at a lot. I'm really sad, but I did take him to the fair. And that one right there, the little black one over in the corner behind the big white one, she is one of our new chickens. She just got here like a half a year ago. She's really cute. We have a lot of other black ones, but for some reason I can tell her apart. I like her feathers, and she's really cute. And everything else, pretty much.
Yep. Why don't you show her the chicken place where we get the eggs? The coop. Yeah.
We have the chicken coop. This is where our chickens like to hang out. This is also where we feed them over in this area. You can see some more chickens. The golden look one that doesn't have those, that doesn't have the like the red comb, without the red comb. Her name is Goldie. I was about to take her to the fair, and she's really soft.
Right there. All right, let's go show the chicken coop. There's another chicken.
Woo!
A lot of chickens.
And our place is really old, so it might be kind of, but that's okay. This is the chicken coop.
Ooh.
There's a chicken in there right now.
Right there. Ooh, there's an egg.
We also have farm fresh eggs that we give to friends, not like mysterious people. So don't come out asking for one. We don't have names for all of them. I just have names for some of them. Sometimes they even like to put their eggs in the corner over here. This is sometimes where they sit up and stuff. Well, if you're at a farm, you might get pretty messy.
Yeah.
These are Shadow's eggs. The Shadow's eggs. They are kind of tealish, bluish green. There's some more in here, but very light colored.
Let me show you the chicken. Making some eggs for us so we can eat.
Yep, they like to nest, and
oh, more chickens are coming in.
that's fine. So they just like to check it out and stuff.
Oh, we're surrounded by chickens.
Okay, thank you. Bye.
Bye, guys.
Camille channel.